These videos are intended for educational purposes and aim to inform adults aged 21 and over who currently smoke cigarettes about less harmful alternatives. Now that's how you open this review, because this device deserves it. I'm going to spend the next few minutes talking to you about the UWELL Caliburn G5, and I mean everything. The design, the battery, the tech, the pods, the airflow, all of it. Because if you are in the market for a daily kit right now, then you need to see this before you buy anything else. So stick around. Let's go. Let's start with the box. UWELL already did something here that most brands don't. You open it up and you get the device, obviously, pre-installed with a 0.6 ohm G pod, but then you get 1 and 2, 3 pods in total. You get one 0.9 ohm and one 0.6 ohm G pods. And this one is the new GPP Alpha Pod. Alpha Pod is their new ultra long life cartridge. More refills, consistent flavor across every single one. UL says it holds up significantly longer than a standard pod before you start to notice any drop off. So straight out of the box, you're already set up and you're not immediately hunting for a pod replacement. That's a small thing, but it means a lot. And of course, you get your usual documentation. It's clean and simple, no unnecessary stuff. You have your user manual, a quick instruction guide, and your GPP pod compatibility card. Here she is, the beautiful Caliburn G5. This is the black gold edition. On the back has a nice black matte finish with the Caliburn engraved. On the side here we have a stepless airflow. On the front we have a gorgeous screen UI display. On the side we have an on and off button. You can control the theme and some of the menu settings, your wattage control. On the bottom there you have the USB Type-C for your fast charging. On the back we have the e-liquid window, which is really handy. See how much liquid you got left when you need to top up. The pods themselves have a nice soft TPU feel, very comfortable. First thing you notice as soon as you pick it up is the weight. 65 grams. It's not too heavy, it's not that light, that it feels cheap. It sits properly in my hand and it feels like something made proper. And I want to talk about this finish because I'm genuinely impressed with it. No fingerprints, nada. I've been carrying this for weeks and it looks like I just unboxed it. For anyone who owns or owned a glossy device, then you know that becomes a smudge magnet. Dimensions are compact, coming at about 115 to 120 millimeters tall, depending on your market version. 28 millimeters wide, it disappears into your pocket. Now for the colorways. There are 7, and this is where UWELL has genuinely done something different. You have Mystic Forest, Black Carbon, Navy Ripples, Orange Feathers, Black Gold, Aurora Feathers, and Silver Marble. But it's not just a color choice. Each colorway comes with its own exclusive screen theme, and that matches with the vibe of that finish. Okay, so the control system. This is probably my favorite innovation of the G5. UWELL calls it the smart triple tap control. Triple tap anywhere on the body of the device and you cycle through modes and you can adjust the screen or change the brightness. Why does that matter? Because in real life, you're walking, you're talking, you've got one hand busy, you're in the dark, you're not looking at your device. You just need to triple tap and you're done. No hunting for a little button on the side somewhere, no squinting on the screen. Let's do this. Let's test this properly. Eyes closed now. And 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Crazy. It's responsive and consistent, and it genuinely makes everyday life of using this device much smoother. But let me show you how to do it from the get-go. So 5 clicks to switch it on. Greeted with the beautiful Caliburn display. Then 4 clicks to enter the menu settings. 1, 2, 3, 4. You head over to tap sensor, long press, and you can select what you want the tap sensor to control: the theme, the mode, the brightness, main menu, disable or disable. So let's say we want to cycle through the modes, right? You long press on the mode, and then now let's try to do it. Triple tap, 1, 2, 3. Waves, 1, 2, 3. Storm. Let's check out the other things that we can control as well. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Head over to tap sensor. Let's say we want to control the brightness. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. That makes it brighter. That makes it lighter. It's quite simple. 5 clicks to turn the device on, 4 clicks to go into the menu, and 3 clicks to change your wattage. 1, 2, 3. And you can cycle between 13, 14, 15, all the way up to 25. That's the maximum for the pod that's installed right now, which is the 0.6. Okay, let's talk about the battery. Now, UWELL claims that you can get up to 6 days of battery life from this on a single charge. The practical implication of this though is massive. I mean, you can pack this up without a charger on a weekend trip, let's say, and you don't need to worry about this dying at an inconvenient moment. Battery anxiety is a real thing on smaller pods, but the UWELL Caliburn G5 kicks that out of the equation completely. And when you do need to charge, you don't need to charge it for hours. I mean, it's got Type-C, 5 volts, 2 amps. Before I started this review, I was at 25%. I just put it on charge for 10 minutes and it was at 80. So what I'm trying to say is that it turns around really quick and you're not sitting there for 2 hours wasting your time. Now for the airflow. Side-mounted stepless airflow. And the stepless control means you can find it precisely rather than compromising between 2 preset positions. But it's not just that. You also get further airflow control from the bottom 2 holes over there. Depending on the orientation you insert them into the pod, you either get a looser or you get a tighter draw. Paired with the resistance options on the GPP platform, I'm talking 0.4, 0.6, 0.9, 1.2 ohm cartridges, you have a huge range of personalization available here. This isn't a one-size-fits-all kind of device. It kind of just adapts to how you use it. The maximum wattage that you can get on this device is 35 watts. And till now, I've done, I think, 20 refills. And this is over the past couple of weeks. And I haven't noticed a single bit of flavor dropped. The flavor delivery from the Alpha Pod is clean and consistent, which is exactly what it's designed for. Something worth covering separately, the platform compatibility. The G5 runs on UWELL's G-Pod platform, which they call GPP. That means it's compatible with every cartridge in the GPP range, not just the ones in the box. Now, e-liquid capacity is at 3 ml on the standard pods, 2 ml on the market variants, depending on your region. Like I got 2 ml pods. What this means practically is that if you're already in the UWELL's GPP ecosystem, then the pods that you got from previous devices would still work on the G5. And going forward, as new GPP pods get released, they will also be compatible with the G5. And I think that's genuinely long-term value. You're not going to be cut off just because one pod is discontinued for any reason. UWELL built this as a primary device, something you reach for every day, long-term, and they clearly made decisions with that goal in mind. The 1600 inbuilt battery is meant to last for multiple days. It's not, oh, it'll last one day if you're careful kind of thing. 3 pods in the box means you're immediately equipped equipped and you're not let down or stuck ever because you're in with the GPP platform. The smart triple tap is the kind of quality of life feature that sounds small until you've used it for a week and then try to go back to a button system. No device is perfect and everything has its trade-offs, but for what it's designed to be, a daily, everyday premium device, it definitely delivers, and it's one that I would recommend to everyone who's asked me. Honestly, this is my new daily carry. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and let me know in the comments, which colorway would you go for? I genuinely want to know. And as of my last words to you and to UWELL, give me 5. And I'll catch you in the next one.